Hello everyone, I Shalini Guliani, faculty BA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver you a lecture on the topic ABCD of media writing. ABCD of media writing stands for A for accuracy, B for brevity, C for clarity and D for discernment. Let's discuss in detail. A for accuracy. Accuracy means be accurate about what you are writing. Don't write anything fake. You should always give the true information as a writer. Accurate facts, figures and names designation should be always checked and verified. Accurate usage of words. For example, a father meets his son after long time with the tears of happiness and the writer uses and triumph. Father met his son with a teary eye. The word triumph can be used if the son has achieved something. Now B. B stands for brevity, concentrated efficiency, that is conveying each point as briefly as possible, even though there are too many points for the next as a whole to be a brief. Brevity in writing is the term used to describe writing that gets straight to the point. Some people write with a lot of flowery words and phrases that are used to impress the reader. However, readers who are well educated and who know good writing can recognize when writing is filled with the fluff and no substance. C stands for clarity. The quality of clearly written prose includes a careful defined purpose, logical organization, well-constructed sentences and precise word choice. Words should be express the feelings of the writers or characters. Express your ideas clearly. Be very clear about what you want to convey. Understand your audience, decide the approach you want to convey, and when your objectives are clear, then start writing. Also use words and expressions that your audience is familiar with. D stands for discernment. Discernment is the ability to judge which things of a particular kind are good and which are bad. Consistency and brightness, concept and reader's interest, use of figures of speeches. These things should be kept in mind when you are focusing on the part of discernment. In discernment part, we also include kind of readers, their interest, knowledge, taste and demographic area. Kind of writing and where it will be published. We should also focus on the kind of writing and where that will be published. We should shun the long sentences and consider the formatting part also. So this is all in ABCD of media writing. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you very much.